My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. You don't want to hear me and I don't want to talk that long. So anyway, just a little about me. I've worked around 10,000 cases. I worked at IRS for a decade. I have been in private practice for 4 decades. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. I shoot these videos at my home. I don't need a fancy suit or background or script because everything's up here for 50 years while I still have it. If you want to see me in a suit and my team, you can go to my website at 777irs.com. You can see all my TV interviews like on Fox and ABC and NBC and CBS and Newsmax. I have appeared on many TV stations. They want my opinion on really IRS matters. Anyway, I do these videos for 3 reasons. So I got to find out what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I know what I'm doing. I've shot a number of videos today. I'm going away, so I plan out my videos. I do these videos for 3 reasons. So you don't get scammed or ripped off. You get insider information from IRS, and many of them. I think I got 1,100 videos or something, so you don't get I need to give you education. Many of them are education so you can understand really what's going on within this sphere, and I do that all within 5 minutes. Today I want to talk to you about misleading offer and compromise and debt settlement ads. This space is flooded with them. I'm a national expert, and what you don't see is all the calls I get from people who have been ripped off by all these companies. How can you tell a misleading ad if you're looking for Google? Let me tell you, on Google, the first 4 items that you look in, they're all sponsored ads. The last 3 are all sponsored ads. What does that mean? That means somebody paid to be in that space. And for those people, they have got salesmen who answer the phone. They have big budgets. Some of these companies spend up to $150,000 to $200,000 a month to get your business. These are the companies that tend to go ahead and make false claims and can settle your debt for pennies on a dollar. The only way you can truly know who's ripped you or going to rip you off and mislead you is by calling the company and asking one question. When that person answers the telephone, ask them if they're an attorney, a CPA, or enrolled agent. If they tell you no, then you're speaking to a salesperson, and whatever that salesperson says is a bunch of crap. What that person does is they're gathering enough information to bill you, get in your pocket, and the person who's working the case doesn't have the information to truly know what the salesperson is telling you. So that's not going to work, and that's where you're going to find the misleading of people. So if you want to make sure that doesn't happen, when you call somebody, the first question you ask is, are you an attorney, a CPA, enrolled agent, or a former IRS agent? When they say yes, you can go ahead and to proceed to go ahead and go. And I'm going to say probably maybe 5 to 10% of all the people you call, okay, are going to be able to say yes, because they're not designed that way. They have the people in their back office working all these cases. The people in the back office should be seeing if you qualify for an offer and compromise or for tax debt settlement. For instance, at our firm, we take all the calls. I don't have a secretary answer the phone. I want to know when you call me, I want to tell you whether you can settle your debt for pennies on a dollar or you're not. So I'm telling you right now, that's how you're going to recognize who the company is, who they are, and make sure that when you contact the company and you get an attorney, a CPA, or an enrolled agent, if you're going to do an offer and compromise, and what this is, debt settlement, you want to make sure you send them the financial statement that IRS is going to look at and evaluate. I ask for the 433A. Some people can ask for the 433A OIC. The only way that I will ever tell you whether you can settle your debt and ask for tax debt forgiveness is by looking at the actual financial statement that IRS is going to look at. If they don't do that, they're never going to tell you whether you can settle your tax debt. And that's what's required. You want to speak to an attorney, an enrolled agent, a CPA, former IRS agent who's been in that business, and you must be able to give them the 433A or the 433A OIC, or good chance you're going to get ripped off because they didn't give you a true evaluation. Anyway, if this video was helpful, if you give me a subscription, I really appreciate it, because we thrive on those, because YouTube says if you get subscriptions, you deserve to be higher. So if you do that for me, I'd appreciate it. You can give me a comment, a like, whatever you want, but the subscription is big. Leave me any questions you have. If you need help on an offer, or that is the tax debt settlement, let me know. You'll see my information below. Thank you.